Hello everyone. Today we are going to make this professional personal portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code link is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. So here we are at the home page of the portfolio. I've added my name, the designation, the contact button and integration of social media icons like LinkedIn, YouTube and GitHub. You can have your uh, photo here. Then we have skills section where I've mentioned the percentage of uh, proficiency that I am good at that particular skill, like HTML5 which is 95 percentage, CSS3, JavaScript and React.js. Then we are at our portfolio section, that is that the projects that we have worked recently. Here I have luxury car rental website, movies website, another portfolio, e-commerce website, travel website, and another movies website. And about section to know more about you, to express more about yourself, that what education you have took and about your experience you can mention here, and your contact, basic contact details like name, email and message, and footer. I've always told you to have your websites to be more responsive. That is, it should be able to be accessed in both desktop as well as in mobile view as well. So let's try it with the. Now we are in Chrome. This is a feature which is most developers use to debug and also see respond web how, how the website is responsive in different devices. Like here right now we are in desktop mode, which you can see. Then now we try to go for the mobile view. Here we are. This is the mobile view of the personal portfolio website. This is the home section, your skills, then the portfolio, that is your latest projects, and about section and contact. And here we have the menu bar, that is home, skills, then portfolio, then about and your contact section. It is very good for developers to always try to make their websites responsive in mobile, tab and desktop. So now let's try to view the website in tab mode. Here we are. This is the tab version of the portfolio. The reason to make the websites responsive is because if it is accessible in different devices, then it will be like able. Most people don't use their laptops all the time. They use mobile phones most of the time. Some people use tabs more. So it is best to have your portfolio in different uh, uh, responsives so that it can be accessed anywhere in any device. So the source code for this portfolio is available in the description with the live preview link, and it is basic HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It is easy to understand, and if you like the content, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.